How to fix error your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes on iPhone. Now there are a number of different things that can cause this error, so we will go through them one by one. Okay, the first and the most common fix is to reset or unlock your Apple ID. To do so, you can go back to your home screen and open up a web browser. And here you want to go to iforgot.apple.com. So type in this web address and then tap on the go button. Once you go to this page, just tap on the reset password. Now you may need to put in your username or your Apple ID. So tap on reset my password. So put in your account ID and then tap on the reset password. Here's to enter the passcode you use to unlock this iPhone. So when you see this message, simply put in your passcode and then tap on the go ahead, or it will automatically go ahead. Okay, once you have done that, you will need to follow the verification steps. You need to set in a new password, then restart the iPhone, and then try to sign back into your App Store and see if that works. So this simple reset password will fix the error most of the time. So if that still does not work, we can try the next fix. Okay, the next solution is to fix your billing and payment issues. So this is also very common due to a new fraud checks in 2026. So what you want to do is go into settings, then we go down and tap on your account ID at the top here, and then tap on payment and shipping. Now in here, you want to make sure to update your credit cards. Sometimes your payment card is invalid or it could be expired. So what you can do is simply remove your current card and re-add it back into your payment detail page right here. So if you have a card added, simply remove it and then add it back in with the correct number, the expiry date, and the security code. So give that a try and see how you go. When doing this, make sure your card matches your country and the card name. And solution number 3 is to check for outstanding charges and or refund abuse. Now, if you requested too many refunds or had multiple chargebacks or unpaid subscriptions, Apple may disable your purchases. So what you can do is go to reportaproblem.apple.com. So simply go to reportaproblem.apple.com, and in here, if you go to the page, and if Apple indicates that your account has been disabled, you can try to resolve any billing disputes from here. Now you need to sign in to use this service. Now sometimes your account is flagged for security or suspicious activity. For example, if you are using VPN frequently for App Store, or logging in from too many different countries, or sharing Apple ID, or use hack apps. If this is the case, then you can try to contact Apple support directly. You can go to getsupport.apple.com. So get and then type in support.apple.com. So go here. Then if you scroll down and type in Apple ID and tap on Apple account disable, and then we go down and tap on disable Apple account, and depending on your situation, just look at one of the messages here and tap on it, and from here you can try to use Apple support to unlock your account. So hopefully one of the solutions here will help you out. Now, when contacting Apple for support, they may ask you for ID. So have your ID ready for ID verification or any purchase history confirmation, security checks, or proof of ownership of your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching this video.